Hi friends, Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here. Today I'm just going to do a short little video on a new digital kit that is in my shop right now. It is called Midnight Stroll, and it is based on the colors and different plants and animals you might see walking through the forest or a garden under a moonlit sky, maybe at midnight, but certainly in the dark. So you'll see a lot of those dark colors throughout this whole thing, plus a bunch of different animals and things. So I'll start with some of the papers that I have here. These beautiful birds with interesting colors on them and some ledger paper behind. I have this one a little bit lighter, thinking as you maybe walk out of the trees and things open up, you might, the moon might be hitting different flowers and making them look different colors. I love old office invoices and checks and different things like that. So this one has a whole bunch of those in the back. And this has some really deep reds in it and some blues, different night colors. And this one's, again, a little bit lighter, but I love how it incorporates some of the blues, and you can see some trees here that might be, the moon might be shining on them in a certain way. And I love the birds in this one, sort of the contrast between the dark and the light there. And just some different color flowers. These would make good background journal pages or background for a collage or something like that, for a pocket or a tuck spot or note card. Okay, and now we're on to the different ephemera pages. So I'm just gonna basically show you them and point out anything interesting. There's two little labels here with some plants on them that I thought were interesting. And then this page has an envelope on it. So it has, when you fussy cut it out, it has little notches in it, and you just basically fold from notch to notch, and then you would have, it would fold up, and then this is your flap on the other side. So there's a nice envelope there. And then this piece right beside it is actually the insert that fits right inside here. So some of the smaller pieces might fit in here, but this one was actually, I designed it to go inside of this envelope. So you don't have to do that, but you certainly can if you want to. And then there's a little compliments card here. And then this little midnight carnival kind of ticket going on there. And this is actually, it might be hard to see on camera, but this is actually two separate cards there. So there is like a line down the middle that you could cut these apart, but you could certainly keep them together if you wanted to as well. And I love this bookbinder card there. And then this page is a library pocket with a due date card. So this is the pocket itself. And then this is the front of the pocket. So when you fold up, you would fold these flaps in and then fold this over to make the pocket. And then this is the front of the pocket. So you would glue that on the front of the pocket to make the library pocket. And there's a nice little label on there for you to add whatever you'd like. And then this is the due date card. So it just says not an ordinary midnight. And there are some dates that it was checked out there as well. And there are 3 tags, and I always like to do my tags so that they don't have holes in the top, so that you can add whatever kind of holes you want, or you could add fabric. You don't even have to add holes, but if the holes are there, then it kind of, pigeonholes you into what you need to do with those tags. So I like to just design them flat on the top, and then you can add your own top. You can add a hole if you want to, so that you could add, strips of ribbon or fabric at the top, but you could also just do like a fold over tab there if you'd like as well. So that's the way I like to do my tags. So there are 3 tags here, all side by side, so you can cut them out together. And you can see these beautiful butterflies on here. And I just loved sort of her look here. You could see that, she might be out walking in the garden with her hood on and everything. I've actually hand colored it like a dark navy blue color there too as well. So those are the tags. And then this one, so this one just has a couple more note cards and things, but this piece right here is actually a file folder. So you can cut this out and then fold it over, and it becomes like a mini file folder for you there. So there's some little cutouts here that you can see, and you can fold it over and it becomes a little mini file folder there. So you can see that. And then some more note cards here, and I added some interesting plant here on this dictionary page. Some more of these gorgeous birds looking at each other. I love the way they're looking at each other there. Some paper lace on paper here. And another one. This one has a bird on a dictionary page, and then just some plates of different plants and these birds. More interesting birds here. I just love the way they look. And then the last page has another sort of office receipt and a music page with some plants on it. I did do 4 different stamps right here with some canceled things on them. And then 2 small note cards here with some lettering and some plants on it, which I love as well. And there you have it, friends. This is called Midnight Stroll, and I will put a link to it down below in the description if you would like to check it out. I want to thank everybody for their support. I really appreciate everybody who's come over to my shop, who has commented on my digitals, and who has purchased my digitals. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, friends. I hope that you have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.